Hi everyone, my name is Shanna Moore and I am taking the Anatomy of the Eye class in the fall semester of 2025. So today we're talking about the structures of the eye. And so we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to start here with the cornea. Okay, the cornea is going to be a clear dome-shaped covering that protects the eye. Next, we have the pupil. The pupil is going to be a black hole here in the center that allows light to pass through into the eye. Next, we have the iris. The iris is the colored part of the eye. It's the muscle that controls how big or small our pupil gets. Next, we have our lens. Our lens is a transparent structure. It focuses light back onto our retina at the back of our eye. Let's see. Up here we have the canal of Schlemm. This canal is responsible for filtering the fluid and draining it out of the eye to help get rid of any kind of buildup. It filters out the aqueous humor that is located here in the front anterior segment of the eye. The aqueous is a watery substance that fills the chamber behind the cornea. So all in this area here is where we're going to find the aqueous in the front of the eye. The suspensory ligament, that is going to be help maintain the position of the eye and the shape of the lens. It's also where the ciliary body and lens attach to each other. Here we have our ciliary body. The ciliary body is a muscle ring that controls the shape of the lens. So these two together help control our lens in our eye. Up at the top here we have the conjunctiva, and this is a thin membrane covering the front of the eye. The ora serrata is at the top up here. You can see this is the border where the retina and the ciliary body meet each other. It defines the anterior limit of our retina. Moving back into the posterior chamber of the eye, all right in here, the white area of our eye is going to be filled with vitreous, which is a gel-like substance that fills the inside of our eye. Back here we have our optic nerve. Our optic nerve is responsible for taking the electrical signals that the retina sends, and it takes that information to the brain and that's what helps turn it into images. Right here, I highlighted this one because it's hard to see, the optic disc or the blind spot. This is the optic nerve head where the optic nerve exits the eye and the electrical signals are sent back into the brain. So this is the point where it starts to leave the eye. The fovea centralis is the next one. It's a tiny indention here, and you can see it in the macula. This the macula is here. It's the area near the retina responsible for our sharp central vision. Down, the next one we have is our retina. Our retina is our light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. It converts light into electrical signals and sends that into the brain. Our choroid is here down at the bottom. This is more of the middle, it's kind of more the middle layer located between the sclera and the retina. It provides nourishment to the eye through a good healthy blood supply coming in. And then down here on the bottom we have our sclera. Jeez. This is the white outer layer that provides the structural support of our eye. To finish out, I love jokes about eyes. The cornea, the better. Thank you.